Delicious cinnamon coffee bars recipe. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you, cinnamon coffee bars. These bars are the perfect companion to your morning coffee or tea, and they're incredibly easy to make. So, let's dive right into it. Ingredients. For the bars. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 stick, softened. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. For the cinnamon swirl. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees C, and grease a 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 centimeters, baking pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. In a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder with 1 tablespoon of hot water until it forms a smooth paste. Set it aside to cool. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add in the egg and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, ground cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until you have a cohesive dough. Now, take half of the dough and press it evenly into the bottom of your prepared baking pan. In the bowl with the coffee paste, add the remaining dough and mix until you have a coffee-flavored dough. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for the cinnamon swirl. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture evenly over the dough in the baking pan. Crumble the coffee-flavored dough on top of the cinnamon sugar layer, creating a marbled effect. Bake in the preheated oven for 25-30 minutes, or until the bars are lightly golden around the edges and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, allow the bars to cool in the pan for about 15 minutes, then use the parchment paper to lift them out and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Finally, slice the cooled bars into squares or rectangles, and they are ready to serve. There you have it, folks, our mouthwatering cinnamon coffee bars. These bars are the perfect blend of coffee and cinnamon flavors, making them an excellent accompaniment to your morning beverage. Give them a try, and I'm sure you'll love them just as much as we do. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.